Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Imperishable Brahman, Chapter 8, Shloka 8. With the mind not moving towards any other thing, made steadfast by the method of habitual meditation, and constantly meditating on the Supreme Purusha, the resplendent, O Partha, he goes to him.
Chapter 8, Shloka 8. Abhyasayogayuktena chetasa nanyaghamina paramam purusham divyam yadi partanu chintayan.
Chapter 8, Shloka 8. The attitude with which Arjuna should act in the world has been described. The attitude for success in meditation follows. In this shloka, death doesn't mean only the physical death, but the death of the ego as well. After the sublimation of the limited ego, one can in this very life live in full godly awareness. After living in the outer world with the right mental attitude, mind becomes single pointed in its concentration. This single pointedness lived in the marketplace, in the very field of one's duty, is equivalent to the prayer and concentration of the Vedas and the devotion and surrender of the Puranas. The single pointedness of the mind helps to integrate the intellect, with which we can get the intuitive realization of the divine easily. The integrated mind becomes the vehicle to take you wherever you choose. In this way, the realization of the self can take place in this very life itself, provided the continuity of the flow of thought in one determined channel of contemplation is maintained. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.